President Trump has announced a $20 billion deal to rescue Argentina, angering some America First supporters and U.S. farmers.
Bienvenidos a Argentina.
Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching.
Welcome back, YouTube world. Welcome back. Well, as you all have seen in the news clip right now, the price of beef in the U.S. is soaring, and the U.S. is turning to new partners. Well, I want to welcome you all to the beautiful city of Buenos Aires, the Caminito neighborhood in Argentina. For some of you all who are viewing this is going to be your first time seeing Argentina, as it is mine. I did not book a trip. There's very different ways that you can do this. I just took a taxi out here, put my shoes on, and got to walking. Hope you all enjoy the art and the beautiful scenery and dancing. Let's go.
Bienvenidos a Argentina.
Welcome to Argentina. All right, ladies and gents, we're gonna try some of this right here. We are at this location right here.
Shreddy pie, let's give it a go. All right, you all, so all this walking right here had definitely burned a lot of calories in me. And I kept smelling the smell of wood and charcoal. It smelled so good, and basically, my nose led me to this. There's a lot of cooking out in the streets, but I came to this one because this is where I seen the line at. And I was not disappointed. They also have a museum here, so check out some of this stuff too. Very unique. And it's going down. It is piping hot. We're gonna try some of this chorizo. This is the chef. The meat is cooking. Let's give it a go. Let's go eat.
All right, ladies and gents, welcome back. We got a special meal right here. This is gonna be my first meal from the Argentines. Chetty pan. And we're gonna experience it together. Let's go.
Flows came back to Argentina. Investors came back to Argentina.
And Argentina needs those dollars because its economy is unique. It has its official currency, the peso, but people also widely use the US dollar to set prices and especially to save because no one trusts that the peso will keep its value.
All right, ladies and gents, this right here is your tip of the day. So what I noticed in Buenos Aires is cash rules everything. Do not spend your US dollars here. They have like little side stores on the side of the streets or where you can exchange your money. Do that. Because even when you play with your cards, sometimes you might pay at a higher rate. And the US dollar that they love is, first let me say, the rate on my cell phone, according to the internet, is 804. Now, when I went to like one of the little black market, if you have $100 bills, it's $9.40. Wow. That's over 100% difference. You get more. And I had 20s, so then it went to $8.90. And this is what it looks like. You get a bankroll. So do exchange your currency. And that's my tip of the day. I'm out. Ladies and gents, so this has been absolutely amazing. As you all can see, the atmosphere. It is what it is. Another day out here in the streets.
I kept looking up and I was wondering, do you have to pay and how do people get to the top?
All right, y'all. Check this out. All right, y'all, so we got that done. We out. On to the next objective. And we made it. Game over. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Tune in.
Beautiful place, eh?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Ladies and gents, we're gonna have our first Argentinian beer, cerveza, right now.
This is a trout beer, okay? Have one? Okay, bienvenido a Argentina, amigo.
Gracias. It's good. Thank you. All right, you all. So here's some history about this place. Bill Clinton was here. And this is the club where the football team drinks his beers. The local pub.
Rubén.
So when you all stop in Buenos Aires, you have to stop in here and get a beer.
I would like to thank y'all for taking the time out of your day to view my video. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you were right here rocking out with me. Remember, my videos are powered by you all's likes, shares, and views. Kindly support the channel. Till next time, Travel Squad 2Ds and a period. Don't forget the period. We out.
¡Qué rico!